Good morning, vlog. So today is officially moving day and the shenanigans have already started bright and early this morning. So the moving company that I hired, the guy just called me to tell me that he's having technical difficulties with his truck. Yes. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a nice day.
You too. So he called to tell me that he's having technical difficulties with his truck and that he might end up having to rent a U-Haul. So it's, you know, putting them a little bit behind schedule. He said give him until 10:30. I woke up at 7:30 this morning because the original time was like, well, he said the original arrival time was like between 9 and 10. So now it's more like 10:30, right? And honestly, I'm not upset. I'm not really bothered by it. I just hope that everything else goes over well, because I'm trying to move as early as possible so that I can enjoy as much of my weekend as possible. Like, I'm not really trying to be moving around doing a whole lot of extra stuff. It is a holiday weekend. I'm not sure if my dad is planning on grilling. He a little sick. He a little sick this weekend right now. He got a cold. But I don't know. Hopefully he'll get over it by Monday and he can grill, because I would actually love some grilled food right now. But I did just go stop and get me some breakfast. I'm about to go to Target because I ran out of like my skincare stuff, and I don't know if there's a Target over there close by where my dad lives, and I don't want to chance it. I need my skincare stuff. My face already feel dry. My hair look a mess, y'all, because I've already been sweating doing stuff. So I did go ahead and load my car up. There's not everything in here. I think it's just 2 more boxes that need to go in here. That's going with me. But I couldn't carry them. I paid these nice, strong men to come and do all the heavy lifting today. So I'm gonna wait until they get here so they can do the heavy lifting. But for right now, we about to go into Target to get some skincare stuff. And then I'm gonna go back home and eat my breakfast. Y'all, tell me why that stuff just cost me $60 at Target. How much? Oh, they need some new toner in that receipt thing. $60.18. I ain't even get that much stuff. I got some exfoliating scrub. I got my little cleansing bar. I'm trying a different one. I'm gonna try a different one because I didn't even know they had this one. I always usually just get the even tone cleansing bar, but this one got a clear skin cleansing bar, and that's what I've been needing my skin to be clear. And then this is also different too. I usually get the 3-in-1 acne prone, but this one is a power clear scrub, treats acne even before it emerges, acne stress control. And then I got this Ambi even in clear facial moisturizer with sunscreen SPF 30. It got hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and E. So I got this because right now I have a moisturizer and I have a sunscreen protector. This is 2-in-1. I think this is better. And then I got some more makeup wipe removers. This one looked like it's already been open, honestly. Look at this. I should go take this shit back. It looked like it's already been open. I'm probably gonna go take it back. And then I got this Garnier Fructis flat iron protector. It goes up to $4.50. That's all I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. I got 6 things. Why was it $60? Was everything $10 each or something? Like, why was it $60? Okay, the Ambi was $15.49, and the Urban Skin RX cleansing bar was $14.99. It's usually $12. I should have got this. You gotta stick with what you know. Okay, you guys. So it is 10:48. The movers just got here. I'm about to start the timer right now because I think I'm paying for 3 hours. They need to make this quick. So we're just gonna see how the process goes. Hopefully we can get this done fast. It's about to be a tsunami thunderstorm outside. The skies look so dark right now, but we just gonna make the best. So literal tsunami out here.
Every cow blake on that movie.
That's our representative.
Yes, sir. They gave me the clap. They gave me the clap.
Y'all, this is crazy. You hear that? It's thundering and like it just gets heavier and heavier. It's ridiculous. So we figured out a way to make this work for us. And had to back this shit all the way up to the door. Get a little stability out here. Cause this tsunami ain't letting up. So clock running and it's only been like 28 minutes, about 30 minutes. And I'm almost done.
Just put it in the attic or something.
So it is 11:30. As you can hear, there's an echo because the downstairs is done, so they're on their way upstairs. Hey guys, so it is 12 o'clock exactly. Upstairs is done. I'm about to use the bathroom and then we're gonna head out. This laundry room look crazy. All right, y'all, so we just arrived to the storage facility. We got 1 hour and 8 minutes left on the clock. We'll see if we can get it done. Okay, y'all, so I had to make sure I remembered how to get to my storage location. And I'm just gonna hope that the Packers can do a good job at like finessing this space, because this is already 2 sizes larger than the original size that I had reserved. So yeah, let's just hope and see. I look rough, y'all. I already know. I don't got no mirror or nothing, but I already know I look rough. I can feel the roughness. Okay. We're underway. I think we got like 1 hour and maybe like 5 minutes now at this point. So yeah, once they get done loading this stuff, it's not the elevator, me being on the 2nd floor is really gonna add up some extra time, but the elevator is like right next to, well, not directly next to, but it's a short distance to the storage unit. So yeah, but I have to go down there and let them back in because the doors are coded. Just checking in. This is how we're looking on space right now, just to give y'all a reference point of floor space. And they are about, I want to say like 80% done unloading the truck. So I'm glad I sized up. That's all I was saying. All right, you guys. So they are finished loading up the storage unit. I still have a little space in there. And they finished with 21 minutes left on the clock. I told y'all I started the timer right when they got there for 3 hours. So it really was more like 2.5 hours. It could have been 2 hours, I'm certain of, if the little thunderstorm wouldn't have even took place. I don't even understand what was going on with that. But I am about to head to my folks' house and unload the car. And then I'm probably going to go back to the apartment and try to clean some. I'm not doing no detailed cleaning, though. Like, I'm not doing all that. I'm going to pack my food and stuff and bring that stuff back with me. I'm going to sweep. I'm going to vacuum. I'm going to try to cover those holes. And then that's going to be it. Okay, y'all. So I look even more crazy than before. But I'm back at the old apartment. And I really just came to get like the last minute stuff, including my groceries. And I thought I was going to have a little time to clean up. But I was calling the leasing office and nobody was answering, so I just assumed that they weren't there. And my technical move out day is Monday, but Monday is a holiday and they're gonna be closed. I luckily dropped by because they weren't answering the phone, so I went to the office and somebody was actually in there and he was gonna be here till 5 today. So he said he's gonna be here till 5, or if I didn't make it before 5, that I could just leave the keys in the unit and send an email letting them know that I left the keys on which date. I'm trying to make it before 5 because I don't got time for nothing to happen to them keys and they be like, oh, you ain't sending your keys. I don't want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. Chill on me, okay? So right now I am waiting on my mom actually to come because I had the 2 fans, they're hers, and the ladder is hers as well. But I don't have space for it to fit in my car, and I don't have time to make 2 trips right now because it's already 4:22. Okay, so I thought I was gonna clean up. I thought I was gonna patch up the holes in the walls and all that stuff. I'm not. What I did was I came in here and swept and took the rest of the stuff down. That's it. So that's just what they're gonna have to get. I'm tired, y'all. I am exhausted. The way my back hurts, Jesus Christ, my back is killing me. But I'm almost done. I just gotta get this last stuff in the car. I did box my groceries up, so now I only gotta worry about, you know, driving back to my folks' house to unload that stuff because me and my dad, baby, we was sweating trying to unload that first load of car, and it was only boxes and stuff. Like, it wasn't even like heavy or a whole lot of stuff. One of the boxes was heavy. Yeah, I'm tired. I am gonna make another stop at the storage, but I'll probably go drop my groceries and stuff off first because it's frozen stuff and I don't want it to thaw out. I'm gonna go drop my groceries off first and then go to the storage. The storage unit is only about like 12 minutes away from the house, so I should be fine. Yeah, I'll just get back to y'all when I have another update. Hopefully the next time y'all see me, I'll be looking like something. I'll be looking a little better instead of looking distressed like, whew. All right, final walkthrough. This is also gonna be my visual proof of everything. I did not clean anything because they gotta do a clean anyway when they do a move out. I'm gonna grab my tissue and my paper towels before I leave. And then this is the room. The blinds, y'all, I don't even understand. I can't get this thing off, so I'm gonna leave it right there. But the bedroom is completely cleared. So is the closet. I got a little cup of water right here because I'm dying of thirst. Yeah, I was gonna sweep the steps, but my arm got tired and my back was hurting too bad. So the only thing that's in here right now is this little bit, and I'm waiting for my mom to come get it, but my timer just went off to let me know I need to go back up to the office before that man leave. I could not get this cable cord out the wall, so they just gonna have to, I don't know. Y'all, I ripped the thing down and it ripped the wall down. This was like the extended plug that I had right here. I was gonna patch the holes. I brought the little spackle and everything with me. I don't got that kind of time, so it's just gonna have to stay. But it is cleared in here and in here. There's some stuff that I'm looking like, why didn't they take this stuff to the storage with them? But it's fine. I went ahead and put it in my car anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead and set this stuff outside so I can wait for my mom, and then I'll just go to the office and get him in his keys. I just completed my last trip to this storage unit, and it was really just to come and bring these cleaning supplies and stuff that was left at the old apartment. I am officially done for today. I still have to like get unpacked and stuff at my folks' place, but I'll do that over time. I'll do that over time because I can't be bothered with doing it today, honestly. So this is what we're looking like in here. This is how much space we have left. So that's the door. And that's how much space we had left. So I'm very glad that I sized up. My little lampshade coming off. Hey y'all, so I realized that I never closed the vlog out from yesterday, so I'm doing it now. As you can see, I'm all settled in. I still have to unpack my clothes and stuff, but for the most part, everything else is where it's gonna be for now. So I just want to thank you guys for coming on this journey with me and tuning into the moving vlog series. So if you haven't already, you already know what to do. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your post notification bell so that you never miss another upload. And smash that like button. Give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and drop your comments right now and let me know what you guys think about the move. If you've moved, what has been your experience recently? I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and supporting me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.